Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacee. I'm Auntie Stacee. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to read for you today is called Mom's Red Coat. I love Mom's coat. It's red and long and warm, and it smells like Mom. I love doing things with Mom. We picnic outside. She hugs me when I get home from school. We work in the garden. At night she holds me tight until I fall asleep. Good news, says Mom. I found a job. I will be away all week, but I'll come home on weekends. Who will hold me at night, Mom? Who will hug me, picnic with me, and garden with me? I can see that you are sad. I will leave my red coat here with you. When you see it, remember that I love you and I'm coming back. I drag the red coat outside. It's my picnic blanket. It feels like Mom is with me. I'm sad that Mom's not waiting at the door when I come home. I put on her coat. It's warm and it smells like her. It feels like a hug. I help Grandma in the garden. The long coat on the branch scares away the chickens. It feels like Mom is gardening with us. When it's dark, I miss Mom most. Grandma covers me with her warm coat. It feels like Mom is holding me as I fall asleep. Mom's red coat is warm and smells like paint, juice, mud, and cookie crumbs. The wind blows the red coat off the washing line. Up into the air. It flies over the fence. It flies over the taxi. I run to grab it. The red coat smells like Mom again. Oh, it's you, Mom. You're back. This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends. See you next time.